Hey everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to recover your Gmail password in just a few easy steps. If you've forgotten your password or lost access to your account, don't worry, I've got you covered. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to www.com/accounts/recovery. Here, enter your email address and click Next. Google will now provide different ways to recover your account. You can receive a verification code via SMS or email, or answer security questions if you've set them up. Choose the option that works best for you. You selected phone or email verification. Check your inbox or messages for a 6-digit code. Enter the code in the provided field and click Next. Now, create a new password that is strong and secure. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Re-enter it to confirm, then click Change Password. Congratulations! Your Gmail password has been successfully recovered. Make sure to update your recovery email and phone number in your account settings to prevent future issues. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips. Also, drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.